Good morning, good morning. It's Vanessa over here. We're gonna do a little market recap of yesterday. And a daily bias video. Alright, so this was yesterday's New York session. Okay, let me drop the lower time frames already. Yes, I am. Perfect. Okay. So okay, yesterday we had a pretty much bullish day. Give me 1 second. There we go. So we had a bullish push yesterday. Well, that's Wednesday's data. Give me 1 second. I'm over here. There we go. I'm back on track. So we started off bearish on London session. Okay, we had a bearish day. But during pre-market hours, we had this small market structure shift. In the lower time frames, it can be appreciated way better. I think this will do. We had a run on sell side liquidity over here. Market structure shift. We retested down the lowest order block that I had created. This one down here in the 15-minute. We filled in this imbalance and we took off. We made the high of the day at around 12:05 in the afternoon. We had a retrace all the way down to the PM session, 2:30 into this order block right here. I don't want to call that an order block, actually. It does not look clean enough for an order block. But we have this one right here. We tested that order block. Excuse me, I got no idea what's going on my surroundings. Anyway, I'm back. So like I was saying, we took off. We printed a new high, yesterday's high, 17,897.75. We traded back into this bullish order block. Let me check for the true day open. True day open at 2 in the morning. We traded down to this order block right here. Literally at 1:30 in the morning, before in London open, we traded into this order block right here. So that will be open. This is the opening price. We saw this, and now we're seeing this. We already had our first retrace. We have the high of the day printed out. London usually gives out the high of the day, and New York usually just continues what London does. So from now, this is the dealing range that we have as in today, as in right now. And we're currently trading around this area. We have about 20 more minutes for the market open. Do I see any equal lows that are formed that I can expect to be swept for liquidity purposes? These perhaps. sell side liquidity. Accumulation, manipulation, expansion, AMD. That's the same pattern that pretty much forms in the daily candle. So we got these relative equal lows. We are creating lower highs and mitigation blocks as we go. For example, this one right here created a lower high. This is a breaker. Oh, this is a breaker actually, because we took this high out. Now we're currently trading at it. There we go. I would like to see a run on stops and a continuation to the upside. Even though we are in February and the seasonal tendencies usually tell that February is a bearish month, but we're still more or less in the first week of February, first half at least. So we still have time to see if the seasonal tendency actually plays out. We gotta see for changes in delivery. Oh my goodness, let me just go to MNQ. It's a cleaner chart, much better. I'll consider this. I'll break to this level over here. Will be a change in state of delivery. Because out of this low, well actually out of this low, we created a new high. If we take it out, come back, start trading lower, I do see a possibility, but I do not want to get too ahead of myself. And I do not want to trade what has not happened yet. Let's look at this in the H1 time frame. We had this run of stops, small run of stops, hourly low swept by one candle alone. We have a bullish order block created. We drop to M30. M5. I'd like to see price take out these lows right here. Let me just take this off so it's not in the way. Take off these lows and come tap into the last portion of the order block, at least the medium threshold, and go up from there. Well, anyways, 15 minutes to the open. Good luck and good trading to everybody. This FNS out.